Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode in SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin. So the recovery mode is a very useful tool that usually is used in case you happen to, for example, forget your password. In order to get into it, we first must turn off our phone. Technically, you could do that by simply swiping down and then going to power button, but instead I will try to use power key and volume down and tab buttons once again in case you want to perform this if you have a locked screen. So the very first things you want to do, you want to pick up your phone and then you want to locate the power button, the volume down button and the volume up button. This is very important. We first want to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And then, whenever the screen goes black and we hear a little vibration, this means that our phone is currently turned off. Then, we want to switch from power button and volume up button to power button and volume down button. I know that this may seem kind of complicated, but in reality it's very easy. So I will try to do it. Now, I will start by pressing and holding power button with volume up button, like that. So let's keep pressing this. And the screen went black. Let's start pressing power button and volume down button. And whenever we see Sony logo, we should be safe to release the fingers. And if we did everything okay, we should now see the recovery screen. You navigate in the recovery by using the volume buttons, and you can click the things you want to click by simply clicking the power button. So for example, once again, if you have forgotten your password, you probably want to navigate into wipe data and factory reset, and then you want to press power key and then factory data reset. But of course I'm not going to do that. If you want to leave the recovery mode, all you want to do is you want to simply reboot the system now. And after a moment, your SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII should reboot itself and you should see your typical home screen UI. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.